Hi everyone, before we begin this video, because I care about you, I will show you how to watch this video in the highest quality possible. If you're on a computer, go to the video, go to settings, quality, and click the highest number. Mine is 1080. If there's an option for 4K for you, go ahead and click 4K. Alright, and if it's on a phone, go on the three little dots on the right hand corner of the phone, go to quality, and again, pick the highest number possible, go to advanced settings, and then 1080p, and there you go. Enjoy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the manufacturer's protective coat of oil from the Power XL Vortex Air Fryer Pro Plus. Whew, I gotta catch my breath. That was a long name for this powerful baby. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're going to take out all the racks. You should always cure products, especially if it's a product that has to do with food. You don't just throw your food in there whenever you buy it. You have to remove the manufacturer's protective coat of oil, and it even says to do so in the owner's manual. So in this video, I will show you the correct way to get rid of that. First thing we're gonna do is wash the racks really well. We're gonna use a stainless steel dish scrubber to remove any of the excess burr that was left. Burr means any rough edges or ridges that were left on the products. So we're gonna use that to get rid of all of those that could potentially go into our food. So washing is pretty obvious, but this is just the first step. There will be other steps to this, but washing everything is the first one. And it doesn't matter what type of soap you use. So we will do the same thing with our racks. We will go in first with our stainless steel dish scrubber, and then with the more lighter sponge. Don't worry, I won't show you how I washed all of them, just this first one. The second step will be to get a piece of cloth. It can be any piece of cloth or fabric, or it can be a wipe. Just wash it really well and then leave some soapy water on it. We will use this soapy water to clean the inside of our machine. Make sure to wipe down all sides of it, the corners, the bottom, the top, and the door. We will then clean our piece of cloth in water, and with only water, we will wipe down the excess soap that we left on our machine. Now, it's important that we remove all plastics and attachments to the machine, including this tag and anything else, any plastics that can be inside or outside of it. Let's plug it into the wall now, and make sure that there's plenty of space in the sides of it and behind it, all around it. See, there's a piece of plastic right here. You gotta make sure that you remove everything. This one's kind of stuck, so I'm gonna have to use some tweezers to remove this one. Now let's go ahead and put our trays back into our machine. We're going to heat it up. As it says on the owner's manual, we have to let it heat by itself with nothing inside of it for a couple of minutes. It's only been 5 minutes and it already smells so much like plastic, so you can imagine how important this step is. Don't skip it, please. Now, just to test my oven, or not my oven, but my air fryer for the first time, I'm going to do so with a potato. I'm not going to be eating this potato, this is just a tester. Just so that, if there's any toxins that are going to get in my food, it's going to get on this and not on my actual food. Once the 18 minutes were over, the air fryer beeped to let me know that it was done. Now I'm gonna get the racks out and I'm gonna wash them one more time before I put my tester tomato in here. Or not tomato, but potato. Let's give those a good rinse and then let's wipe down our machine one more time. Now let's dry it with our paper towel again, and then we're going to put our racks back into the machine. Now let's put our potato in here. Again, I'm not going to eat this one. This is just going to be our first food that we're going to fry in this fryer. And I'm also going to add the peels of the potato. We're going to turn on our machine by pressing the power button, which is the circle, and then we're going to press the fry button and then the power button again to activate it. Okay, the time is now up and our potato is ready to either be thrown in the trash, or what I would advise is to throw it outside so it can fertilize the soil instead of just wasting it into the trash. But to each their own. And yes, you guessed it, I'm gonna wash my racks one last time before I do my delicious french fries. If you want to see how I made these delicious seasoned french fries, please go to my channel. It'll be the video right after this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.